Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Well, it's time for you to buy a new washing machine. Well, if you do, I'm going to highly recommend, I'm going to say something controversial here, that you get a front loader machine like this. Stick with me and I'll give you at least 5 reasons why it's the best choice for you. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. In previous episodes, we featured this LG front loader washing machine and how to care for it and get the best results. Here's something we found out. People are very passionate about whether they love or don't love the front loader. But I'm going to give you at least 5 reasons why it should be the next machine you buy, and then we'll open the dialogue through the comments section, and I'm sure we'll have some robust discussions. But here's reason number 1. Water and energy efficiency. These machines use very little water to get the job done, and they do that because of the tumbling horizontal action that little bits of water are released through the clothes and water is rinsed through it. It takes less energy to do that than a full tub of water with an agitator. So these are, number 1, more water and energy efficient. Number 2, we have found we get a much better clean out of these because of the way clothes are washed. And you can choose the length of time you're going to wash, whether the water temperatures, all the normal features that come with a quality washing machine. But you're going to end up with the right settings, which generally are the ones that are just right here. Either we choose just normal, or if we're doing delicates or whatever, we end up with a superior clean that is very fresh with a little bit of product. So that's another winning thing you get, is less product that goes along with it. We only use powdered detergents, or the only liquid detergent we use is Swash, and you can check out in the link above that review where we talked about the Swash liquid detergent and the results with it. The next reason is it's gentler on the clothes. Well, it's really simple if you think about it. In a typical lidded, top-loading type of machine, you have an agitator. Some of the newer machines have a agitator plate, but they're laying on top or around this agitator. And so what is doing the scrubbing is this hard object that's sliding back and forth, and it is actually abrading or micro-abrading the clothes. In one of these here, they're lift paddles that simply lift the clothes up and tumble them on top of each other. So what's the agitator in one of these? The clothes themselves. Therefore, they're gentler. You end up with less lint that comes off of them, less abrasion. Your clothes will last longer. That's another compelling reason why to consider this. The other thing here that is really compelling is larger capacity. Well, if you don't have an agitator in the middle taking up space, you can put more in them. And the longer these have been in general production, the better the bearings have become in the back that hold up this tub horizontally. And so you can put some larger capacity. Something I want you to think about, if you go to an institutional laundry, let's suppose for a conference center or a large resort, or even if you had the unfortunate experience of working in the laundry in a penitentiary, all the machines are front loader machines. Well, there's something to that. They work better, larger capacity, less water, less product, all the things. And if it works in institutional settings, scaled down in a smaller setting, I think there's something to that to be considered. That's a pretty compelling evidence. These are great machines, scaled down for the home use. The next compelling reason is higher spin speeds. Now, you can set the spin speeds on the machine here. We generally use the highest or the second to highest spin setting, simply because when the clothes or the items come out of here, they are very, very dry. Well, what's the advantage of that? Less dryer time, therefore more energy savings and faster time to have, or time savings to get those items laundered and dried and put back into use. Well, those are some compelling reasons. I think this is the best choice for you. Now, I'll tell you what, you'll see the comments area below. You can check out the links below. We always give you more information than what we say on screen. And if you have some thoughts on this or disagree with me, then say so below. And if you've had problems with one of these machines where you cannot keep it fresh, check out this end panel where we'll tell you exactly how to keep your front loader washer from stinking. There's just some simple methodologies, and once you get this down, you'll never have a problem again. And while you're at it, check out this other video that YouTube thinks is perfect for your interest, and we'd sure like it if you'd watch it too. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay, enjoying my front loader.